Hey, what's up, guys? I actually saw a really interesting question online the other day, and I'm going to read it here right now. Okay, so the question is, my ex owes $40,000 in back taxes and is not on any sort of repayment plan. I just gave birth to our daughter and hope to collect child support. Number one, will the amount he owes the IRS affect how much the court orders him to pay me monthly for child support? And number two, if it comes out in the form of a wage garnishment, will IRS have priority or will child support have priority? That's an interesting question, a really good one here, and it reminds me of something that we learned, that everybody probably learned in law school. It's first in time, first in right. Let's dive in. If the IRS lien and the wage levy hit you before the child support order and the garnishment hit you, then IRS wins. First in time, first in right. They're going to collect until they either release it or you work out some sort of modification to the levy. But if the levy hits first, if the IRS strikes first, then they're going to win. But on the other hand, if child support was already being enforced when the levy hit, then child support is going to win out. They're going to be what's considered a priority creditor, and child support is going to be able to collect and get the money before the IRS is able to do so. In that instance, the IRS is only going to be able to collect what's left over after child support gets paid. So it's not about who you owe more money to, it's about who has first priority in terms of collecting their debt. Federal law gives the IRS massive authority to collect back taxes. But even the IRS has to respect certain pre-existing obligations. The Internal Revenue Manual, which is the playbook that the IRS uses, actually says that if the child support deduction was in force prior to the tax lien and the levy, then child support stays in place, their deduction continues, and the IRS can only get whatever's left over after that. So for example, let's say your ex owes $40,000 in back taxes and already has a court-ordered child support deduction. If that support has already been coming out for a while, the IRS will wait in line and only get whatever is left over. But if the levy had been in place before the child support deduction, then the IRS gets first dibs, first in time, first in right. Now look, God help you if you're dealing with both child support and back taxes. Like, you fighting your ex and the IRS, that's above me, right? I probably can't help you work things out with your ex, but I can help get the IRS off your back. Just give us a call at 1-877-Levy King, 1-877-538-9546, or you can jump on www.levyking.com. That's www.levyking.com. Follow the prompts, answer a few simple questions, and we'll help you figure out your option for an IRS fresh start. All right, that's it for this week, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.